Hello, good morning. I, Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 137. It is for BSc Part 2, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 2, Aldehydes and Ketones. Today, we will discuss about the mechanism of nucleophilic addition to carbonyl group with particular name reactions: aldol condensation, benzoin condensation, Perkin and Novelzin condensations. Mechanism of nucleophilic addition in carbonyl compounds. The typical reaction of aldehydes and ketones is the nucleophilic addition reaction. See here, this is a nucleophile and this is carbon. Here carbon, it is an electron deficient carbon, and so nucleophile reagent will easily attack to this carbon and we will get the product. Since the carbonyl group has polar character, the carbon becomes electron deficient and oxygen becomes electron rich. See here, the electron deficient carbon is attacked by a nucleophile in the first step from the top or bottom of the molecule, because CO carbonyl group has planar structure to form an unstable intermediate. The intermediate then abstracted a proton from the solvent or the reactive reagent to give the product. So in this way, nucleophilic addition is occurred. The reaction can be catalyzed by both acid or base. Acid catalyzed nucleophilic addition. The proton released by an acid combines with the carbonyl oxygen and increases electron deficiency of carbon. Thus, positivity of carbon is increased and hence attack by the nucleophile gets accelerated. See here how this proton is attached to the oxygen and it will give this carbonium ion, and this 2-carbonium ion nucleophile is added. Base catalyzed nucleophilic addition. In base catalyzed nucleophilic addition, base is added, nucleophile part is added to this carbon, which is electron deficient, and then it is a electrophile part is added to this oxygen. The order of reactivity of carbonyl compounds, it is evident from the above that for maximum reactivity carbon should be as positive as possible and should not be sterically hindered. Plus I effect of alkyl group decreases the positivity of carbon in ketones. See here, this formaldehyde, then this aldehyde, then ketones. So reactivity order of formaldehyde is more. Steric effect. If steric effect is there, see here, thus the order of reactivity among ketone is here. Acetone, then this ketone, then diethyl ketones. Effect of substituents. Presence of -I groups would increase positive charge on carbon and therefore rate of addition increases. Hence, see here, if electron withdrawing group is there, then this reactivity order will be changed. The case of aromatic aldehydes and ketones, see here how this aldehyde and ketones of aromatic compounds, due to the delocalization of positive charge in benzene, ring decreases the rate of addition of nucleophile, and hence aromatic aldehydes and ketones are less reactive than their aliphatic compounds. Acidic nature of alpha hydrogen atom. See here how it formed enolate ion. And examples are aldol, perkene, novelcine, and alpha halogenation, etc. Name reaction. Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation means condensation reaction means two substrate will react to each other and they will not evolve anything. It is called condensation reaction. For aldol condensation, condition is this reaction is shown by aldehydes and ketones containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom. See here, acetaldehyde, acetone, this aldehyde, and these molecules having alpha hydrogen atoms, then this aldol condensation is possible, otherwise it is not possible. Aldehydes and ketones which do not show aldol condensation are formaldehyde, this ketone, like that. Various base reagents used are dilute NaOH, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, barium hydroxide. Reactions. See here, this acetaldehyde. When two molecules of acetaldehyde reacted in presence of hydroxide, it will give aldol. Mechanism. First, this base catalyzed. So base will abstract one proton and it will form water molecule and we will get enolate ion. And this to enolate ion, this another molecule of acetaldehyde will react it and it will give us aldol anion. And this aldol anion, when it is hydrolyzed, it will give us back this anion, hydroxy anion, and we will get aldol product. So it contains one hydroxy group and aldehyde group. So it is called aldol. Benzoin condensation. Dimerization of two aromatic aldehydes in the presence of alcoholic potassium cyanide to give benzoin is known as benzoin condensation. Here we are using two aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde molecules. It does not require this alpha hydrogen. So here how it is reactive. First this cyanide, it will add it to this one benzaldehyde molecule and it will give us carbon anion. And this two carbon anion, another molecule of benzaldehyde will react it and it will form this product benzoin anion. And then on hydrolysis, it will give us benzoin. So this is all about this name reaction. In next lecture, we will take some other examples of name reactions. So thank you very much for today's lecture.